Welcome to 11 Alive News at 4. I'm Jonathan Martin.
And I'm Faith Jesse, and we are starting this hour off with a weather impact alert as much of Georgia and the southeastern U.S. prepares for a major hurricane to strike. And within the last hour, Georgia Governor Brian Kemp declaring a state of emergency.
Let's get straight over to meteorologist Melissa Nord here with this 11 Alive weather impact alert that is now Tropical Storm Helene.
Tropical Storm Helene, it will be major hurricane before landfall tomorrow. And I want to stress there's multiple facets of every single hurricane, multiple threats. I think for us, widespread, we're dealing with a lot of rainfall, and we'll also see some strong winds on top of that. So a lot of things coming out today on models that are different from what you saw yesterday at this time. Tropical Storm Helene still winds of 45 miles per hour in the Caribbean Sea. Forecast to become a hurricane by tomorrow morning as it nears the Yucatan Peninsula tip, and then a major hurricane before landfall Thursday evening. Notice that is right along the Big Bend region of Florida as a Category 3 hurricane. But because this storm is moving so quickly, by the time it makes it into North Georgia, it is still a tropical storm. So that means strong tropical storm force winds possible close to the center of Helene. But on top of that, we're going to have the rain action, and we're also going to have the possibility of a few thunderstorms as well. So weather impact alert Thursday, Friday, and we have decided to take that all the way into Wednesday afternoon as well. And the reason why is before Helene, we're expecting a lot of rainfall to build in by this time tomorrow. So rain, wind, and storms. What you need to do is stay weather aware and be alert of changes in the model. So today is a good time to prepare. Clear the storm drains out and also the gutters in your house to make sure that water has somewhere to go. Rainfall, how much are we expecting? 4 to 7 inches. Locally, those amounts could be higher. Some of the gusts in the metro could be 35 to 50 miles per hour. The severe aspect depends on the track of the storm. We feel that most of the severe storms will stay east of our area, but if that track wobbles a little further west, that could change things a lot. And speaking of severe storms out there right now, we're in the 90s, and this is fueling a few isolated thunderstorms to develop, one of which has a severe thunderstorm warning on it. So Banks and Hall counties until 4:15, the severe thunderstorm warning continues. Gusts to 60 mile per hour possible on this. It's right near Lula, just north side of Lake Lanier, and this is moving east at about 20 miles per hour. So strong winds there, some small hail possible. This is just the beginning of what's going to be a very wet few days for us here. We'll break down what to expect hour by hour coming up in just a bit.
All right, Melissa, thanks so much.